I got a pair of these infrared 2019 Air Jordan 6s. For today's video, we're gonna be cleaning these bad boys, icing.
Retro.
There's some spots that needs to be repainted, sealed with acrylic finisher, and let's jump straight into it. Z. Take a razor or something pointy object to pluck any rocks, chips from the pavement, any gum, stickers.
Retro.
Grab a bottle of that dab sauce, that icy sauce. This helps ice the bottom of the shoes. Apply away. You want to ice these bad boys for about 24 hours on each session. Just keep going till you get the best results. So let's check it out. Here's the results after icing for 24 hours for one session. I didn't keep going, but let's go ahead and move on. If you have any remaining gum that's stuck on the bottom of the shoe, just take a razor. But anyways, you want to grab that acetone with a cup to pour in. You want to have some type of Q-tips, a rag for this part to get those circle pods on the bottom. In between the cracks on the outside of the pods, you want to use the Q-tips for. So let's get it. I'm gonna go ahead and start the second session by grabbing a bottle of that dab sauce, apply away, and let's see if we can get these bad boys icy clean, icy fresh, icy nice. Z.
Retro.
Here's the results from icing for about another 24 hours on the second session. The results came out a lot better than the first session. At this point, I'm content with these results. I'm gonna top it off by throwing these bad boys in the washer, man. And another thing, before you put them in the washer, you wanna make sure the settings, make sure it's on cold water, on delicate, so the shoes don't get beat up in the washer, right? And if you're more worried about that, just grab like a bassinet, like a backpack or something to wrap it in so it won't, get damaged. But make sure you got detergent, OxiClean. You can put a little splash of bleach, a cap full. Let the water fill, mix in first before you put the shoes in, and you all set. So let's see these results. And then we're gonna go ahead and start doing our painting process by grabbing a bottle of this black acrylic paint with a paintbrush. And if you feel like you're gonna make a mess, just tape off the areas that you don't want painted on, and let's get it. Z. If you made it this far, make sure you hit that like. And if you're looking for more how-tos and tutorials and sneaker meetups, check my YouTube page out right now. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.